Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the world of trading apps in the Philippines. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, finding the right app is crucial for your success. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 5 trading apps in the Philippines for 2024, along with all the details you need to know. Let's dive in. First on our list is Call Financial, a popular choice among Filipino traders. Call Financial offers a user-friendly platform for buying and selling stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. It provides access to real-time market data, research reports, and investment insights to help users make informed decisions. Plus, Call Financial offers various account types to suit different investment goals and risk profiles. Next up is BDO Nomura, the online trading platform of BDO Unibank. BDO Nomura offers a seamless trading experience with access to stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. It provides real-time market updates, research reports, and educational resources to help users navigate the stock market. Plus, BDO Nomura offers competitive brokerage fees and a convenient fund transfer process for BDO account holders. Third on our list is First Metrosic, the online trading platform of First Metro Securities Brokerage Corporation. First Metrosic offers a comprehensive trading platform with access to stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. It provides real-time market data, research reports, and investment tools to help users make informed decisions. Plus, First Metrosic offers personalized customer support and educational resources for beginner traders. Moving on to BPI Trade, the online trading platform of BPI Securities Corporation. BPI Trade offers a user-friendly interface for buying and selling stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. It provides access to real-time market data, research reports, and investment seminars to help users build their investment knowledge. Plus, BPI Trade offers competitive brokerage fees and a seamless integration with BPI accounts for easy fund transfers. Last but not least, we have PhilStocks, another offering from First Metro Securities Brokerage Corporation. PhilStocks offers a user-friendly platform with access to stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. It provides real-time market updates, research reports, and educational resources to help users make informed investment decisions. Plus, PhilStocks offers competitive brokerage fees and a hassle-free account opening process. And there you have it, our roundup of the top 5 trading apps in the Philippines for 2024. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there's an app on this list that's right for you. Remember to consider factors like user interface, investment options, fees, and customer support when choosing a trading app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.